Hey there, this is John at Johnson RV in Sandy, Oregon. You probably found yourself here because you're looking for smaller, lightweight bunkhouse travel trailers, and I've got a good one to show you today. This is made by one of my favorite manufacturers. This is a Winnebago Minnie, and it's called a 2100BH. It's just a little over 21 feet long, and we don't have a lot of time to make a boring video. We're going to just make it a couple minutes long, hit some highlights, do a walk around on the outside, do a walk around on the inside. Then you can call me at the dealership if you have any other questions. So let's get started. Number one, fiberglass molded front cap, 3-year structural warranty. And one of the things that Winnebago has is called red thread. It's the common denominator that all of their travel trailers have, no matter what model. For example, wheels and tires are a big deal. Goodyear, name brand tires, very important for being safe down the road. It's got the Comfort Tech package, the Explorer package, and one thing it doesn't say is the thickness of the walls. Most travel trailers out there have a 1 5/8 to a 1 3/4 inch wall. Winnebago has a solid 2-inch wall. That means more aluminum, more strength, and more insulation. Moving down the line here, large windows, continuous hot water, large awning, big speakers, and here you go. This is on all of their travel trailers. Power stabilizers right here on every single one. It's not an upgrade, it's how it comes. Come on around the back here. Comes with a spare tire. Backup camera prep. Ladder. Shower. And over here for your bunks, check this out. Got a little side door here. You want to load stuff in? No problem. You have bigger boxes, flip that bunk up out of the way, and you have all of this that you can access from the inside. Zoom in on those wheels and those bags. That's very important. Take a look in here real quick. Insulated doors, slam latches, and if you can zoom in right here to the other side, solar control panel on the left, and a manual master battery cutoff switch. Place for 2 batteries on the front, 2 bottles here, light, power jack. Come on inside, check this out. This is so much space in such a small trailer. Come on in. All of this up here. Big deep slide, nicely trimmed. 2-tone. Lots of cabinet space, counter space here. Not a cheap camp stove either. Dinette large 2-way refrigerator. Bunks for the kids. And check out this bathroom with a big old shower. How do they fit all this in such a small trailer? Again, this is the 2024 Winnebago Minnie. It's the 2100BH. If you have any other questions, my name is John at Johnson RV in Sandy, Oregon, 503-668-5400. Call me. Ask